and welcome to Ivy's Flower Garden. Ivy and I ordered a pack of seeds off of Walmart that was for a tea garden. So these are all of the different kinds of seeds we've got. These lower seeds are the ones that I think I can start today. It's March 28th. I'm going to start them out in my greenhouse, so I might have to bring them in at night for a couple days, but we'll figure that out as we go. These look like ones that are able to be started now. I've got some seed pots here, you can see. And these are ones that either get directly sown in, like the coneflowers are ones that you want to plant directly out in the garden, and the other ones are going to probably go straight into the ground as well once we're a little bit warmer outside. It's still very early, but COVID-19, stuck in the house and nothing else to do, so I'm bored. Out of these ones, the sage and the rosemary, I'm going to put those in containers, and they can go out by my swimming pool in the summertime, and they'll look very pretty out there, and they grow better in containers anyway. So what we've done is I've got my container here that I'm just going to throw some things in. Ivy wants to say hi. She's dirty, dirty, dirty girl today.
Hi.
And it's me. It's Ivy. So what I do today, since I don't have like a bag of planting soil, this is my greenhouse. I've got a couple things going on out here. Maybe I'll do a video about that over there. Seems to be working okay, but not great. I just have regular topsoil. So I've been doing 2 scoops topsoil, and then I've got a bucket of peat moss left over, and I've been putting it in here, and you just mix it around. So 2 scoops of topsoil to 1 scoop of peat moss is kind of my theory on making starter soil. And what we're going to do is we're just going to start some of them in each one of these. You can go back to one of my how to start seeds videos to check that out. I'm excited about this one because all of these plants can be used for making tea. There's also other medicinal uses and things for these that you can look up if you need to. If the world comes to it, we might need medicine off of plants again. Hi, I just wanted to add something on to this video. So I just planted these. I did the Yarrow, which says that needs to stay on the surface. It needs light for the seeds to germinate. So I'm not going to do anything on top of them. You can see the seeds are very small. All of these seeds are very small in this 4. So we're going to do the Yarrow, and that's going to stay above. But now this lemon bergamot, their seeds are small. The lavender seeds are small. And lemon balm, those seeds are all very small. Lavender needs to be packed down into the soil tightly on top of the seeds. So those I'll pack down. These, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more peat moss on top. So I'm going to put peat moss on top of all of these 3, the lemon, bergamot, the lavender, and the lemon balm. And then the lavender I'm going to go ahead and tap down with my hand. And this is my watering system, it's, you know, underneath. So I just filled this pan, the bottom pan, with water, and then it will wick water up from the bottom, which makes it a lot easier. You can keep this full. The bottom tray can stay full. Obviously, it's not cauliflower, but the bottom tray can stay full, and then the plants can wick as they need, and it encourages the root system to grow down towards the water, so they get some good strong roots on them. Okay, that's my little bit of update for planting. We'll definitely give you updates, too, as to how everything is growing as it goes. So that's it for today. Just a short little video of what we're doing, but I thought this little order here was pretty awesome. And Ivy's going to send us out with a thank you for watching and please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Mama's video.
Very good, pumpkin.